Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to SL Preem. So today we're going to be taking a look at Android 11 Developer Preview 3. So of course I only been digging around this phone for a few minutes, so I only found 3 or 4 new features. So don't kill me if I missed a couple things. But anyways, let me open a couple apps to show you the new navigation UI. So as you can see, when we swipe up, there's actually a redesigned UI and there's no more app icons at the bottom. Instead, you get 2 new buttons, screenshot and share. You can still swipe as usual. So with that new change, there's actually a new screenshot animation. As you can see there, it just pops. And then you can do your normal editing and whatever. But if you click on the screenshot at the bottom, there's actually a special UI like this. As you can see, there's like a little thing in the background with 2 buttons, edit and share. And then you can do your normal editing again. The next change is actually a ton of bugs are actually fixed. Like one in the YouTube app is when you start responding to comments, the actual text you're typing is invisible. It would only show up at the bottom, but now it's finally in the right spot. And another fix in this preview is actually the fingerprint sensor working in third-party apps. With this preview number 3, you can now use your fingerprint to authorize third-party apps. And then the final thing that I saw a change in, I'm not sure if it's already been changed in the previous build, but I did notice there's now 2 different sensitivity options for the left and right gestures. And that's about all the features I found today. Hope you guys subscribe, leave a comment, and of course, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.